Hello and welcome to the Simple Step Show. And today I'm going to show you how to move a page in Notion. Moving pages helps keep your workspace organized. And as you start to add more pages and build out your Notion private space, that can get pretty cluttered. So you want to make sure that you are putting these in places that make sense without overnesting. So the first way that you can move a page is to go into the left navigation here, and you can see I've got these two pages here. I can simply click one, and I can drag it around to wherever I'd like it to go. If I drag it in here, you'll notice that the bar is over the task in light blue, means it would move inside of there. If not, you can see if the bar gets smaller, that means I'd move in between. So you can see now I've moved it in between. I can simply grab that again, put it into place. And now I've got a little bit of navigation challenges, right? So I can move it again, put it inside of the notes so that it goes into the right location. Now you can also move a page from inside the page itself. So you'll see here I've got this notes hanging out in the wrong spot. So I'll click on it. I'll click on the three dots. I'll click Move To. I can click Notes, and it automatically moves into that section. So a helpful tip for beginners is to really keep your sidebar shallow. Honestly, too many people, they start nesting these really deep, and it actually makes things more complicated, not less, and it makes everything much harder to find, not easier. Ultimately, this is how you move a page in Notion. Thank you, and thanks for watching.